Assalamu alaikum students for class. Have a blessed day, all of you. So student, as you know that we have completed our 5 units on textbook. Now we will start our unit 6, that is Mowgli's brother. This is actually an imaginary story. This story is actually the story of animals, wolves. They live in a dark forest. Okay, there is a father wolf and a mother wolf. Okay, they live with their cubs. The babies of animals, we call them cubs. So they are living in a cave. As you see, they are living in a cave. But one day there was a poor man and a woman with their little baby. They are coming to forest, and suddenly a ferocious tiger that was very hungry, it jumped over them to eat them. They quickly run away, but their baby was there. Okay, and the baby was crawling, and he reached into the cave of wolves, as you see. But the baby, when the baby come there, he not afraid of the fox. He just started laughing at them, and in this way they also not eat the baby. And the baby start living with the fox, the family of fox. They take care of the baby. Okay, and when the tiger knows that the baby lived with the fox, he came and entered and tried to enter in the cave, but the whole of the cave was so small. That's why he was roaring. When he roared, all the cave filled with thunder. They all become frightened. But the father fox, he know that the tiger cannot enter in this cave because of a small hole. And the baby, you see, the baby also looking very frightened. In this way the tiger tried and tried, and after disappointed, and he go away. They also said them, go now, get hence, go, because you cannot enter into our house. And the baby with little 3 cubs of fox, they all live happily in their cave. So in this way the baby saved from the ferocious tiger. So this is the story that I have tell you in a very short scenario. Okay, so you will read the first page, as there is page number is 44, and also find out the meanings of these words, these keywords: bold, cub, haunches, and hands, pack, curry, savagely. So you will find out these meanings, and you will write it on the notebook and share the picture of these keywords, and also make the video of your reading, so we can tell you that where the place that you need help, so we will help you. Okay, let's start. It was 7 o'clock, a very warm evening in the Seeonee Hills. In the Seeonee Hills, when Father Wolf woke up from his day's rest. After day rest, the Father Fox, Father Wolf, not Fox. Sorry, these are the family of wolves. They woke up. Okay, scratched himself. As you know that when we also wake up, many of the people, they scratch their body because when we are getting rest, when we are doing rest, we feel our body very restless. Okay, or we can say that we can also say our body is feeling tiredness. That's why the wolf woke up from his day's rest and scratched himself, yawned, and spread out his paws. When we wake up, as we also stretch our arms, they also do the same. Mother wolf lay with her big grey nose dropped across her 4 tumbling, squealing cubs. Tumbling means intake of breath or movement of babies. Squealing cubs high pitched halls. They speak very loudly, and the moon shone into the mouth of the cave where they all lived, because in the evening time, that's why they saw the moon from the cave, or from the hole of the cave or mouth of the cave where they all lived. Oh, it's sound of Father Wolf. It is the time to hunt again. He listened, and below the valley that ran down to a little river, they heard something. He heard the dry, angry, snarly, sing-song whine of a tiger. These all are the synonyms to describe what type of the sound of the tiger, who has got nothing. The tiger was very hungry and he has nothing to eat. The fool, said Father Wolf, to begin a night's work with that noise. The whine had changed to a sort of humming purr, and the purr grew louder and ended in the full throated roar of the tiger's charge. Then there was a howl and untigerish howl from Shere Khan. He has missed, said Mother Wolf. There was a family, as you see, okay, and they run away due to the very dangerous sound of tiger. So you read this lesson carefully and you will share your video. This is actually this lesson having different words, so everyone, you must read this.